Clouds definitely in the picture this hour of the Valley Skycam, part of our Storm Team Skycam network. We've had a few sprinkles, some mist out there in the FM area, but the real rain holding off just to the west of us. More on that in a second. Right now, 65 degrees as we flatline temperatures for much of the afternoon. Wind from the east-southeast is blowing at 10 miles per hour. Things are warmer with the orange hues here on our colored map of temperatures. With the warmest weather way up north in Roseau, you have 73 degrees. Warmest weather in a couple of days for Baudette as well, in the low 70s. 64 this hour in Jamestown, 69 in Sisseton. Showers and thunderstorms rumbling right over the I-29 corridor right now. Gusty straight line winds, a likelihood from those cells working their way towards Watertown this hour. So we take you in a little bit closer. We see they start near Jamestown, so some much needed rain southern Stutsman County, but is not all that heavy. We get a heavier persistent showers of rain, no thunderstorms over Oaks. These are all moving east-northeast at about 25 miles per hour. So quite a distance from the valley yet. But Sisseton, you have some storms right on your doorstep, as does Watertown, with this little backward C shape here. A very windy storm at that. Gwinner and Lisbon, the showers are on their way to you next as we head into the evening hours and towards sunset. Then a better chance of rain here in the southern Red River Valley. Here's a look at that storm between the Brown Valley area as well as Watertown, and we are seeing some serious thunder, lightning, and hail potential from those cells. All of that very heavy rain staying to the south of us for now, but there could be some changes. And as we look upwind, there isn't a lot of activity in northeast Montana that be moving this way. So it's this unsettled weather here that we have to contend with heading into our weekend. First and foremost this evening, best chance of showers in the southern valley will be between now and 10 o'clock along and south of Interstate 94, primarily with temperatures still steady in the 60s. Overnight temperatures, same thing, low to mid 60s for most. Look at this. Shower chances will be persistent all night long, southern valley, and then points east into Minnesota. So we start our Saturday off with some soggy weather for our Minnesota counties, and it just sits here and continues to bring periods of moderate to heavy showers as this low pressure system spirals out. Could even bring some wraparound moisture in the afternoon hours for our northern counties. But look at the sunshine out west. Where we have that, that's where the best chance will be at temperatures in those mid 70s. So from Fargo out towards Lisbon and Jamestown, not a bad afternoon to close out the day. If you are in Barnesville for Potato Days, the showers should be wrapping up by the time the car show happens, so we'll keep our eyes on that. Now, as we take a look at the evening, this storm continues to exit and we'll see clearing potential. Isolated areas could see 1 or maybe 2 inches of rainfall under the gully washers of rain, but more of us will see a tenth or two. Up north, well, maybe not so much. For tomorrow in Fargo, flatline temperatures as mentioned, but in the afternoon with a little bit of sun, we should see those low, maybe even mid 70s in the afternoon. 75 Valley City, 73 up in Langdon, and out to the east where we'll have rain potential on and off throughout the day. Low 60s to mid 60s at best. Sun mingling with some cirrus clouds out there. Thanks so much, Michelle, for uploading this Pillsbury shot. Now, the planning forecast shows the storm system exits, and it'll be even out of Minnesota for Sunday. So we'll warm into the low 80s in eastern North Dakota and a lot of mid 70s to close out your weekend in Lakes Country. So some good outdoor time to close off our weekend. Next week, looks like summer-ish weather trying to return.
That's the best news of all.
Indeed.
All right, thanks. High school football.